Obambe njengongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uFiroz Khachalia ufungisiwe namhlanje ukuze abe yingxenye yekhabhinethi likaMengameli. Kodwa-ke kusenokudideka ngokuthi ngabe lokhu kusho ukuthi lelizwe lizoba nongqongqoshe bamaphoyisa ababili yini njengoba obengungqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu emisiwe.
Today I was appointed minister, not acting minister. It has the idea of an acting appointment is not provided for in the Constitution.
uMengameli uthi ukudideka kuzoba yinto yesikhashana njengoba iqala kungekudala nje ikhomishana eqokwe ukuphenya ngalezi insolo.
I know there is a technicality about seeming to have two ministers in the same portfolio, and that is a matter that I do believe is going to be resolved within a short space of time. We've asked, or I have directed the Commission to complete its work as quickly as possible. So whatever confusion or period there might be is going to be of a short duration.
uMengameli uthi kumanje ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osamisiwe uSenzo Mchunu ulungiselela ukuyovela kule khomishana.
The Minister Mchunu is on leave. He's on leave while this matter is being resolved, and he is preparing himself, as I hear, to appear before the Commission.
Ngesikhathi ekhuluma nabezindaba emva kokufungiswa, uSolwazi uKhachalia uthe akahambisani nokuthi izigebengu zidutshulwe ngenhloso yokubulawa, kodwa-ke amaphoyisa kumele zivikele enze umsebenzi wawo ngendlela elandela umthetho.
The shoot to kill, I am not going to second guess police officers when they are in the field, when they have to deal with violent criminals. It's for them to take whatever steps are necessary to subdue the criminal.
uKhachalia kulindeleke ukuthi abe nomhlangano nokhomishana wamaphoyisa uJenene Ufani Masemola.